on the multi-state, or is it just one oral? Right. I see.
So Andre, what's your best present this year? What's your best present?
Yeah.
Everything.
Okay, so.
What'd you get?
Well, choice, it's either yes or no.
Microphone, drum, guitar.
The drums? These drums?
Yeah.
Nice.
And this microphone and the guitar.
Wow. But I thought the guitar was Allie's.
You have a red one.
Oh, you have a red one.
But this is not mine.
Okay.
Well, and usually you take the first impulse that you have.
And Mariah, what was your favorite gift this year?
What?
What was your favorite gift?
My DS.
Your DS,
Yeah,
yay!
my
Thinking
guitar
about it,
here.
unless you
Awesome.
really know that
Stuff
you
that
made a
goes-
mistake.
Oh my god.
Ooh, very nice. And there's Andre's greatest
All right,
fan,
well,
his groupie.
let's all go out and have a good time. When you pass this thing. Thank you, and yours too. All right, now.